Hi, boys and girls. Coming to you today with our Letterland lesson of the day. We have talked about Clever Cat, Annie, Apple, Mr. A, Dippy Duck, Harry, Hatman, Munchie, Mike, and today is Talking Tess. Let's go over her vocabulary. The number 10 starts like Talking Tess. A telephone starts like Talking Tess. And a tiger, one of my favorite animals, starts like Talking Tess. Let's take a look at her story.
It's time to meet the tallest lady in Letterland, Talking Tess. She works in Teletouch Tower, and it is her job to keep everyone in Letterland in touch with each other. She's tremendously busy. She talks and texts all day long. You can hear her tapping as she texts. She even takes her tiny telephone on trains and in taxis as she travels about. When she starts important words or sentences, she grows even taller and her head disappears into the clouds.
Good to know about Talking Tess. Well, here is Talking Tess. She has her telephone in her hand. Here is a turtle sitting on a table. This is a taxi. It's a type of vehicle that people ride in big cities. They don't drive cars. They ride in taxis. This flower is called a tulip. This is not a frog, but it's a toad, the cousin to the frog. We've got toys, a truck, a girl holding a teddy bear, and a boy on a tricycle. Here is a lovely tree in the yard and a telephone booth. That's where we can make telephone calls on this type of telephone. I hope you guys learn a lot about Talking Tess. Let's go ahead and figure out how to write our capital T. This is one of the easiest letters to write. With our writing paper, we start at the skyline. We go down to the grass line and put a tall arms on both sides of the T, just like Talking Tess would, with a big telephone pole. The lowercase t starts at the skyline as well, comes down to the grass line, and it crosses on that dotted line. We're going to be writing these letters next week when we come back to class. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Bye.